What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Pink Wednesday. Today's video is going to be a room tour of my beauty room. It's one that's been requested for a while now, and I'm going to go through and show you guys everything in here. Before we get started, don't forget, if you enjoy my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check my description box and follow me on all my social medias. And yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Okay, you guys, so welcome to my beauty room. So I'm gonna go ahead and start over in this corner. Before I get started, so the paint color on my wall is Valspar Art Deco Pink, and it's in a flat finish. I felt like with as many pictures as I take in here, and like if you get a shiny finish, it can be really glary and kind of look cheap. So I went with a flat finish, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. But yeah, over in this little corner, I've got this really cute print that I found at home stores. If you guys are ever looking for any cute canvases, definitely check their store out. They have so many cute ones. And then this acrylic cart I found at Home Goods about a year ago. I've just got some odds and ends on there. And then my couch. So above my couch, I have this super cute Chanel frame, but unfortunately, she's about to go. I really want to replace it with either 3 pictures above the couch or possibly a really pretty white mirror. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But I just feel like this picture doesn't vibe well with this area. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to get rid of it. And I don't think I have any room in here to put it anywhere else. But I just don't think it looks good there. Anyways, my couch is from Classy Home Furniture. I did find another one on Amazon, but the color is sold out. So it's linked on my storefront. If it ever comes back in stock, I'll let you guys know. But as of right now, Classy Home Furniture, you can buy it from there. This adorable Juicy Couture pillow, I bought from Charlotte's Beauty Room on Instagram. And then I've got this Juicy Couture blanket that I found at Ross. You guys, look how cute. And then in the middle here, this rug is from Target. And the ottoman I found at Home Goods. Finally, after I had been searching for forever, I found the ottoman at Home Goods. And I've just got this pink tray on it from Hobby Lobby. And then this candle that smells amazing. This is from Serenity Home Edits, and it's rose petal gelato scent. And I do have a discount code with them. If you guys are interested, I'll leave it in the description box below. And then moving on to one of my favorite areas is my little coffee bar. And I get questions all the time about where my cabinet's from. And I really wish I could tell you guys, but I don't know. A family friend gave it to me like when I was, 17 years old and had just moved out on my own. And I used to use it for towel storage. But yeah, unfortunately, I don't know where it's from. But up above it, this really cute picture is from Burlington. And then this K-cup organizer is from Coffee Glam Bar. And these espresso cups I found at Home Goods. And then I found this adorable mug from Pretty Sparkles Designs. I saw a video with this a couple weeks ago, and I knew I had to have it. So pretty. And then this really cute cupcake candle that I found when I was in Nashville last week. I'll probably never burn it because it's so cute, but it does smell good. And then the bling container is from Home Goods. And this gumball machine is from Macy's, and I just added a little Juicy Couture bow to it. And it does go on sale. I think normally it's like $80, but I bought it on sale for $30, but you have to catch it when it's on sale. But it is also in my Amazon storefront if you guys are interested. And then inside here, here's my little mug collection. I definitely need to reorganize this. Look how messy this is, you guys. I need to clean it out, but there's my little mug collection. definitely need to do some cleaning. Over here, I've got my curtains from At Home Store. So on my lac shelf up here, the coin bank up top is from Z Gallery. And then I've just got a little Pixie PR package, and some brushes and a really cute lipstick from Beauty Cosmetics. And then the acrylic brush organizer that obviously needs to be clean. Look how dirty that is. Is from Amazon, and it's linked in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to get one. This flower arrangement is from Grand Floors, and it smells amazing. Super cute. And then these Ted Baker boxes. So I had to switch my Amazon from Amazon US to Amazon UK, and because they're super hard to find. But if you guys are interested, just switch your Amazon to Amazon UK, type in Ted Baker jewelry boxes, because that's the only place I've been able to find them at. But they're super cute for jewelry boxes. I love them. They were a little pricey, but they're so pretty. And then down here, I've just got some of my Juicy Couture perfumes displayed. And then some of my Too Faced setting sprays on a cute little tray that I found at Home Goods. And then some lipsticks down here and some Too Faced makeup. So over here is my vanity area. My vanity is from Impressionsvanity, and it is the, what is it, the Slay Station Pro, Glow Pro. Let me turn the lights on real quick. I'll turn them back off. I know this is probably going to blind you guys, but yeah, and I love it. I seriously love this vanity. I'm not going to go over everything within the drawers because I'm planning on doing, like, I need to do a major clean out on this. So I think I'm going to film it and we're going to organize, but I'll just go over some of the main things. So up top, this cute picture is from Ross, and then these brush holders, I made the Chanel ones, like these two, and then the rest of those I found on eBay and Mercari. And then down here, the super pretty lamp is from Amazon, and it's in my store if you guys are interested. Over here, I've just got some Pixie palettes and some new makeup. I'm going to do a get ready with me on my channel next week. And then this super cute jewelry holder is from Marshall's. And I've just got some of my Juicy Couture jewelry displayed on it. And then we've got all our Too Faced makeup here. Oh, and then this acrylic organizer has my bling brushes in it. And I get questions about this organizer a lot. It's not the same one that's on Amazon. This one actually has like a full crystal knob on it, and I found it on eBay. So if anybody wants the link to it, just DM me on Instagram and I'll send it to you. And then let's see. Oh, I was super happy about this. So I reorganized this drawer last week. I'm sure you guys have already seen it if you follow me on Instagram. But I put all my Juicy Couture stuff in here. And then this little acrylic organizer, I think I found it at Home Goods. But I'm about to have to get rid of it because Sorbus Beauty is actually sending me a pink rotating organizer, and I think I'm going to use it for skincare. So, and then over here, my chair is from Amazon, but she has definitely seen better days. Like, she is so dirty. I need to get another one. I just don't know what color to go with, honestly. But up here, this picture is from Amazon, and then this one right here is my favorite. I found this at home stores. And then down below, I've got this storage bin that I found at Home Goods, and I've just got some of my slippers displayed in it. Then, but I guess before we move on to the bookshelf, the closet, two things you guys will see that I'm gonna change. Probably won't be until Christmas. I mean, might be before, but probably Christmas. You probably already know, but I'm gonna rip out everything in that closet, all the shelves, and we're gonna do a pack system in there. Cannot wait. And then I'm also gonna do some hardwood flooring, but I don't think I'm gonna go with the color we have in our house. Like, that's the color we have in our house. I think I'm gonna do like a bluish, I don't know, like a bluish gray. I just feel like it would be a little bit different. So, but yeah, I cannot wait to change that up. Seriously, cannot wait. But my bookshelf is from Target, and I just had my husband do like a more custom look by nailing it together. And then up top, this adorable bear is from Crafty Mommy. I'll link her in the description. And then I got this picture from my sister. I think she found it at Ross. So on the rest of my vanity down here, you guys know that Home Goods find right there was a nightmare, and I can't seem to put it up even though it's Christmas. And then the Victoria's Secret box I made. But down here I've got my Bath and Body Works candles, and then everything on this right here is from Home Goods. And then I've got one of my favorite Juicy Couture perfumes right here. This one is Sucre. It smells like cupcakes. And then one of my favorite Bath and Body Works candles, Pumpkin Cupcake. And then down on this next one, I've got my Miss Swiss brush holder and my Louis Vuitton tray from Lovely Luxuries. And then on this next one, we've got this really cute tray that I found on Amazon that is in my storefront if you guys want to check it out. I made this little Victoria's Secret frame myself. And down here, just a couple boxes and makeup bags. Oh, and then over here, this really cute lipstick organizer is from Crafty Mommy on Instagram. On this next shelf, I found this really cute jewelry holder from Ross, and I just decided to spray paint the bottom of it pink. And then the little bear is from Amazon as well. This is one of my favorite Victoria's Secret scents. This is a lotion. This is the original Bombshell one. It smells so good. Highly recommend if you haven't tried it. So on this next shelf, I'm thinking I'm going to put my Starbucks cups on a floating shelf. I just don't like the way they look right here. But for now, here's where they're at. And this super cute Dior flower arrangement is from Pretty Luxury Bouquets on Instagram. And then moving up here, I've just got a couple candles. A little sign that my sister gave me for my birthday because my middle name is Love. I thought that was sweet. And then just some more makeup bags up here. But yeah, that's the bookshelf. And then over here, I've got my mirror that I got from Target. And I guess we'll move on to the to the closet, to the cluttered closet. So in the middle, I've got the little chandelier that I got from Ross. And then up top, it's basically just some cute bags that I got when I went shopping and I didn't want to throw away, so they're just kind of taking up space up there. And then over here, this really cute storage cart is from Home Goods, and they do have them in other colors, and they even have them in smaller sizes if you guys want to check your Home Goods for that. And then I've got some of my Juicy Couture purses over here, and this super cute purse from With Love shop that I showed you guys last week. And then we've got this really cute MCM bag from Girly Pink Boutique. I've got some toboggans down there with a Juicy Couture bag. And then over here, this really cute flower arrangement is from Made by Sweet Peach on Instagram. And then I've got this little ottoman that I found at Hobby Lobby. Some more bags that have no room to put anywhere. And then a really pretty Pixie PR package that I can't seem to throw away. The super cute Tiffany & Co. frame that I found at Ross. And then some Victoria's Secret nesting boxes that I found on Facebook Marketplace. And then back here I've got some of my Juicy Couture blankets and some pants. All right, you guys, I think I have covered everything. Hopefully I did. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me on Instagram. Don't forget to check the links in the description for anything that you're looking for. And thank you so much for watching. Also, don't forget to check back next week because I do have a really cool video coming. And then, yeah, I think that's it. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below and let me know how you decorate your beauty room. Also, any tips on what I can do with that Chanel frame. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys. Happy Pink Wednesday.